The City of Leduc is a small city just south of the city of Edmonton. We have a population of approximately 36,000. We're experiencing unprecedented growth. It was incumbent upon the city to rely on technology such as our school zone flasher program to provide a heightened sense of awareness for drivers due to the presence of children in the area, increased pedestrian activity, so certainly leading to concerns of safety. My name is Rick Sarita. I work for the City of Leduc. I am the Director of Public Services. With the school zone safety, we've had situations in the past. Our enforcement services have indicated that there was excessive speeding and near misses in many occasions with the children attending school and general pedestrian traffic.
My name is Steve Henderson. I'm Director of ITS for ATS Traffic. ATS Traffic has been in the ITS marketplace for over 20 years. The City of Leduc approached us to help enhance pedestrian and school zone safety. They're a rapidly growing city with lots of people moving in all the time and increased traffic. So they were seeing heightened safety risks in their school zones. So they came to us to see if we had any solutions that would be kind of new and innovative to help them ensure that vulnerable road users are safe on their way to and from school.
The City of Leduc leveraged ATS Traffic's technology to assist us with deploying our school zone flasher program.
We assessed each school zone that they had brought to us, and then based on sort of our consultative process, we settled on the Carmanah R829 school zone beacon solution as the best fit for them. It offers a solar-powered solution, which makes installation easier, overall cost of ownership is easier as well, and then the connectivity allows for easy functionality. So that's the one we recommended. For Carmanah is a market leader in pedestrian safety and enhancing safety for vulnerable road users, including pedestrians and students walking to school. The school zone beacons in particular are highly effective in making sure that kids get to and from school safely.
Well, whether it be residents or parents or the school board and school staff themselves, they've provided very positive feedback to the City of Leduc regarding the effectiveness of the Carmanah school zone beacons and the signs that we have deployed, and the effectiveness in creating a more safer environment.